Ay.
Bakit ganyan?
Yo, naiya ako bigla. Yo. Hello guys. Good afternoon.
Nagbo-vlog po si Mio. Ano sasabihin ko? Oh, sige na, mag-vlog ka na. Beb. Uy. Yo. Yo. Uy.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is April 6. We're going to Marina. Ano pa? Ano pa, Beb?
You forgot the... It's
Oh, ulit.
another day, another vlog.
Take one. I take two.
Take two. Game.
Ako na.
Hello guys, good afternoon. It's currently September 6. Yeah, it's currently September 6 and we're already on our way going to Marina for their birthday surprise to me. So as per Mio, it's a beach small party, and yeah, we're just Mia's in front and I'm with Bebs.
Hi guys.
Oh.
Hi, another day, another vlog.
Ayun, nakuha mo. Ano ba? Yun lang?
Yun lang.
So, that's all for today, Char. See you later, guys! Beb, pumunta kayo dito, no? Kailan?
Kahapon.
Kahapon?
Oo.
Paano kahapon? Beb, nasa bahay tayo yung dalawa kahapon.
Ano, isang araw? Nung wala ka pa. Friday yun.
Kumaka, hindi ka na-scam?
Yan, happy birthday!
Siguro, sa ano to? Thank you. Ay, may pa ganito. Oh. May plate sila. May pa. Hello pa! Yay! So, guys, we waited for 30 minutes. More than 30 minutes for this. And this is their surprise. Yacht party po. Well, not totally party, but a little bit dinner na lang po siya. Small dinner. So, si Budge po with us. Mia is the one who organized this yacht birthday surprise. Thank you.
Surprise! Surprise!
Dito kayo ba? Ate Rica.
Be!
Yes po. This is my first time. Ano pa tugtog?
Ay, na may speaker, oh.
Nandito na naman tayo!
Ay, pakilala ka pa. Teka lang.
Oh, ayan. Mga cellphone. Oo nga. Guys, nakaayos pala silang lahat. Sabi nila sa akin, picnic, eme. Pagkatapos ganun, ayun, sila mga nakaayos. Ako yung ano lang. Oh. Hello guys! So, as what I'm saying, this is my first time for a yacht party. And I'm so excited because it all happens here in Marina, organized by Mio. And thank you so much, Mio, for organizing this. She also invited some of our friends, our closest friends. And thank you so much for coming, guys. Thanks to Geraldine. Thanks to Francesca. Thank you, Bodge, Ate Rica. Thank you so much, Bebe, Richard, Kuya Mark. And syempre, sa nag-iisang kapatid ko si Bonso, I'm so happy guys because she's already here in Dubai. And we're so blessed, really blessed this April because sobrang dami po namin na-receive na gift from Papa God. And I'm really thankful and I was so grateful kasi sobrang napaka-blessed po talaga ng April namin. Yeah, thank you so much, Papa God. I was just recording at this time, guys, kasi during this time, kung nakikita niyo yung part na yan, there is a nearby club over there na nagpapatugtog, and then the other yacht has their own music as well, which was loud music. Kaya naman sabi ko mas magandang voice over na lang ako kasi I know and I'm pretty sure na talagang magkakaroon ako ng copyright dahil sa mga music nila. So yes, this was my first time for the yacht party and sobrang saya, guys, ng feeling kasi I was planning for a yacht party for so long, but then I don't really have time, and I thought it was so expensive, but then Mia took the package. I mean, she got the package para sa yacht party na to. Kaya naman sobrang grateful ko kasi Mia organized everything. So I'm really thankful to Mia po. Thank you so much, Feb. So guys, we got the package for around less than 1,000 dirham, and it was for 2 hours and a half of cruising, and then we went to a different part of Dubai. If I am not mistaken, we started from Marina. Nilibot din po namin yung Palm Jumeirah, and then we saw the Atlantis. Yeah, I'm not gonna mention I'm not gonna mention all of them, but then kasi hindi ko kabisado, syempre. So yeah, we really enjoyed this time kasi sobrang nakaka-excite, though medyo maalon. So if you wanted to try this, guys, you just have to be careful, and you just have to be cautious kasi baka mahulog kayo, 'di ba? So yeah. So, as you can see, my party po doon, nasa kabilang side na yon, and the music was so loud. But then, during this time, I think it was already 7 o'clock in the evening, and we just wanted to be quiet and stay like this. Yeah, so the foods that we have eaten here was all cooked by Mio. She organized everything from the food, from the menu, everything, guys.
Calling the attention of Marichal Ruiz. Marichal Ruiz, please proceed to gate 5. Again, calling the attention of Marichal Ruiz. Ay, nako ha!
Game na! Ulitin mo na! Wait! Oh, game!
72?
Calling the attention of the passenger, Marichal Ruiz. Calling the attention of Marichal Ruiz. Please proceed to gate 5, Terminal 4. Once again, calling the attention. Saan ka ba? Unsa na to? Marichal, sagot sa kayo pa.
So, thank you, Botch, kasi he was from work, and I was really thankful kasi nandun din si Kuya Mark, Ate Rica, and si Richard, even though they are always busy. Thank you so much, guys. Tapos na birthday ko. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday!
Thank you, birthday.
Thank you sa food, everything.
Thank you so much. Brother, thank you so much. Thank you. Be, kailangan mo magmaniobra, be.
Let him do it.
Let him do it. Let him do it.
Paano ko, ano yung pagkain ba?
Magre-reverse naman pala kasi siya. Pati sila may reverse. Hello po! So, I'm gonna unbox all the gifts that I received for today. This is from Geraldine and Frances. This is from Matarika. Thank you so much. This is from Richard and from Kuya Mark. Thank you so much po. So first, kanina na-open ko na siya while I was inside the taxi going home. And I like this po, Snoopy po na tote bag from Starbucks. It's so cute po. And then, I think this is tumbler. Peanuts from Starbucks as well. Color pink. Ah, cute. Right. Oops. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Geraldine. Thank you so much, Frances. Thank you. It's nice. Ang dami-dami ko na pong tumbler. Gustong-gusto ko to. There. And then, this is, thank you so much again. This is from Ate Rica. Thank you so much, Ate Rica. To Shao, happy birthday from Rica. Right, so, there's a sticker, Snoopy. Oh, it's the same.
Nag-usap sila.
Yeah, a peanut as well.
Siyempre.
Peanuts from Starbucks also. But this is the transparent one and dark, what's the color? Blue-green. Thank you. Thank you, Ate Rica. And lastly, from Kuya Mark and from Richard. Yay! Thank you so much. But so cute. Bagay na bagay siya for from Zara. Bagay na bagay siya for this season kasi summer na. Thank you so much po. And I wanted to thank Mio for everything po. Sobra po yung ginawa niyang. Sobrang pasensya rin pala sa background. Sobra yung ginawa niyang surprise. So, thank you so much for everything. From the day of my birthday, na nagluto siya ng favorite food ko. Even though dito lang kami nag-celebrate talaga sa bahay. That was our dinner. 3 lang po kami with my sister, Beb. And Mio, thank you so much for everything po. And she also organized the surprise. Again, surprise po because they just told me na magbe-beach lang kami. That's why I was just wearing this simple shirt and just a simple skirt. So I thought we were going to the beach. It's just like a picnic in the beach, but then she surprised me. She organized these surprises na yun nga po, nag-yacht po kami. And I feel so thankful and so blessed. Sobrang saya po sa feeling kasi talagang sumakses ka. No, to be honest po, I really love the place po kasi I love the ocean po. I love sea. So, thank you so much for organizing this surprise, Mio. Thank you so much po. I'm so happy.
You're welcome.
Happy for my 38th birthday and dapat makabawi ako. Parang medyo nape-pressure tuloy ako sa birthday na paparating ni Mio.
Nantok ka na.
Ay, nantok na sila. Mamay na.
This was the celebration. Actually, it was a surprise from Dr. Sophie and Dr. Ellie. So thank you so much, Dr. Ellie and Dr. Sophie. They surprised me in the hospital. And oh well, pagka-uwi ko ng bahay, guys, after the surprise in family medicine department, actually, Bunso, Cynthia, and Mio, Beb, they also surprised me, guys. And they have lots of gift, my God. And to be honest, guys, talaga namang niluto nilang dalawa. Nag-effort, niluto nila yung favorite food ko. Though I know na it was a simple dinner, but then I really appreciate that one. And I'm so grateful kasi meron akong sila. And I'm so blessed, super blessed because talagang, alam niyo yun, nag-effort sila and mahal po nila ako. And I also love them. Thank you so much, guys, for preparing all of these things, for all of the surprises, and I'm so very very happy during my birthday. Yeah, so I want to thank you, Lord God, for everything. I'm so blessed for the whole month of April started bago ako mag-birthday, and then until now na nag-voice over ako, and I'm pretty sure na may mga dadating pang blessings na talaga namang aabangan natin soon, and I'm hoping and I'm praying for that. So yeah, thank you so much, Papa God. Thank you so much for everything. Parang medyo nakakahiya pa nga nung time na to kasi I was blowing the candle. I mean, I was wishing at this time, and sobrang napakatagal nung pag-wish ko kasi sobrang dami kong naiisip. And then, I was thanking Papa God kasi nga, syempre, diba? See, look at the candle na naubos na. So, yeah, sobrang talagang overwhelming po ng mga time na to. And, tumikim na ako ng paletsyon kawali ni Mio, which was very good po. Super sarap po talaga. As in, superb. Kung nakikita niyo po yung pag-open ko ng box, ng gift nila, that was from both of them din po. And this perfume is my favorite perfume po. This is the Eclat po. Na talaga namang may time talagang tinitipid ko siya kasi sobrang napakabango po niya. And alam nyo yun na parang before, it was fine with me na talagang wala akong pabango. Cologne lang is enough na. But then, nung natuto akong magpabango, ayun nga, nung na-experience ko, mabango po pala talaga siya. And this was a gift from Dr. Sophie and Dr. Ellie po. It was a jacket, oversized jacket, because Dr. Sophie knows me well. That I really love oversized shirts. So they gave me a jacket. As per them, they forgot that it was my birthday. But then, yes, from Dr. Sophie and Dr. Ellie, thank you so much. Talagang surprise ako kasi I wasn't expecting at all na maghahanda sila, na mag-surprise sila. And then, yeah, so I've got this one. This is a cake from Dr. Sophie. I think ito yung parang caterpillar na cake, which was the same nang binigay kay Irma sa UK ng mga friend niya. And this one, guys, from Cuisine d'Amour. I love those cookies. Sobrang napakasarap po niya, as in the best. Gift from Dr. Sophie, and I already opened that. And body wash. And then, yeah, the card from the Yunas gift that was inside the jacket. Yeah, I was reading it that time sa harap nila Beb and Mio. And eto na nga po siya, guys. Ito yung time na i-open ko na yung gift. And I think I already tried it. No, I was about to try it. Pero, syempre nagugutom ako. So, I asked them to eat na muna bago ko siya i-try. And I think I'm gonna wear this sa malamig na country. And hopefully, yung malamig na country na yun is, let's see, hopefully po, and I'm still looking forward kung saan yung malamig na country na yun. Yes, so done na po yung pag-unbox natin, guys. And I really wanted to eat na. I'm so excited for the food na niluto ni Mio. So, ligpitin na po muna natin yung mga kalat ko. I'm sorry for the background, guys, kasi sobrang kalat. Nagluto si Mio and Beb. So, medyo makalat ng mga time na to. So, we're gonna start our dinner na po. Oh no, wait. I was looking for the other, what do you call this? Gift. And then, they have told me na nandito nga po siya sa Lacoste bag ko, which is gold. So, yes po. I was so happy, guys. Kasi you know what, guys? I have told to Mio na mag-start na ako mag-invest. Well, it was a diamond. It was a gift from Mio. And then, actually, I'm planning to buy the ring kasi I have told her na I'm gonna invest. Hindi naman siya gold, but then I'm starting to invest the diamond one or the gold, white gold. Kaya nung nakita ko siya, oh my God, eto po yung pinakang ano natin dito yung pinakang climax. Ika nga, diba? Yeah, it was so nice po, guys. Yeah, and I really like it. Thank you so much, Mio. It really fits in my finger. Though medyo maluwag ng konti, but then I think that's more than enough. And kinantahan pa ulit nila ako ng happy birthday. Thank you so much again. Tinry ko pa siya sa ibang finger ko. Kasi I wanna try kung okay ba siya sa kabila, kung okay siya dito.
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby. I love you.
Thank you po. I love you po. I love you po. Bayan. Sorry po.
Nakalimot. Sinasabi ko sa'yo
Ayun na. Bebe. Mukha, kung titingnan mo ko, ilang taon na ako?
18?
Ay, oh my God. Ay! Kasi alam mo, sorry po. Kasi marami nagsasabi, oh my God, babe. Oh my God! 38 na ako, pero oh my God! Ang dami nagsasabi, para lang ako 25! And guys, I want you to meet my one and only Bebe. Bebe Irma. You know what, guys? She also took care of me while I was in Sharjah Hospital. And ito po talaga yung taong sobra solid po. Na kahit mag-away kami, kahit anong mangyari sa aming dalawa, at kahit na may mga ibang segue na something. So, guys, never po kaming nag-iwanan ng taong to. And I'm so thankful na dumating siya sa buhay ko. By the way, guys, she's staying in UK and she's working as well. Sobrang na-miss ko po siya and nakakamiss na po yung bonding naming dalawa, lalo na yung mga kalokohan namin. Super maloko po tong taong to. Kaya sobrang mahal ko to and I really miss her so much. Well, this was a late night conversation after namin mag-dinner ng April 1. She just called me and then nagkamustahan nga po kami. And the best part of this is yung sobrang tagal namin na nagkwentuhan kasi, sobrang layo na po namin sa isa't isa and we don't have time na rin everyday para makapagbalitaan or makapagchikahan.
Ano kakantay natin? Farewell?
Silipin mo kung may patient. Farewell to you. Farewell na lang. Okay. Kasi, mauna ka sa likod mo ko. Mauna ka. Farewell to you.
We'll see each other again.
Don't cry. Kasi I'm not. No. Farewell to you, my friend. Uy, malalagyan ka
happy birthday din yan,
each
ha?
other again.
May bayad yan, 50. Hindi pa bayad. Ano makita?
Inutang lang namin yan.
Inutang lang namin to.
Ano ba yan?
Isa pa nga, ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Game, seryoso na.
Okay.
Kagulat
Uy, kanta na.
Happy birthday to
Ninja
you.
moves!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Tamo na ano yung birthday? Binasa mo ba?
Ang haba.